Welcome to the video tutorial covering the creation of a grower, farm, and field in the PLM IntelliView 12 display. The grower, farm, field, task, and crop type windows are the basic building blocks of the telematics and mapping functions. These windows are also the primary filters for viewing production results. With the exception of tasks, the information for the windows can be created on the display and shared between vehicles. Task information is vehicle-specific and can only be entered on the display. Crop types are selectable in the operations screen. The dataset has a hierarchical structure. You cannot select an item lower on the hierarchy until all of the items above it in the hierarchy are selected. For each grower, there can be many farms. For each farm, there can be many fields. For each field, there can be many tasks. The task is the lowest level in which data is stored, and each task can only have one crop type. The crop type is a property of a task. Once you perform work in a task, you can no longer change the crop type. We will begin setting up a grower, farm, and field by navigating to the Operations button in the display. To add, edit, or create a grower with the display, press the grower field to access the drop-down. If no growers are available, the only option is the Add New button. If you wish to edit a grower, press Edit icon to open the keyboard. The Edit window opens with the keyboard. Use the keyboard to edit the grower name. In our example, we will create a new grower. To the display and the desktop software, a farm is a large geographical entity that is composed of smaller entities called fields. All crop production tasks occur within a field that is defined by GNSS coordinates. As such, all crop production tasks are linked to a field, and the field is linked to a farm. Editing the farm selection is similar to editing the grower selection. The field contains one crop type this season. Next season, the same field may contain a different crop type. In areas where 2 crops per growing season are typical, the same field may contain 2 different crop types in the same season. Editing the field selection is similar to editing the grower selection. A task can be thought of as a job or event in the display. It is both a description of work to be performed and the associated logs of the completed work. Tasks can be created on the display, either automatically by the system or by the user. Tasks can be imported from a farm management information system. Editing the task selections is similar to editing the grower, farm, and field selections. The crop type is a property of a task. Tasks are allowed only one crop type. You can save notes to the active task. The Notes window provides selectable options that are commonly noted to tasks. Each task has one note assigned to it. You can edit this note as needed. This concludes the tutorial covering the creation of the grower, farm, and field. Refer to the software operating guide for further information.